Good morning from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Thursday, July 11, 2019. Yes, this is a penultimate milestone. Joe has finally finished his first full project at Snake Mountain Boatworks by preserving this 1954 Penn Yan Captivator Aristocrat. So I'm going to hand it over to Joe, who is both kind of a nervous mom and a proud mom, because this result is just at the very top of the Snake Mountain Boatworks standards. Take it away, Joe.
Yeah, this has actually turned into a great project. I mean, with the bottom in the shape that it was in and replacing the transom in it, it just had an unbelievable finish. And the last two coats of varnish that we put on this was the captain's high build, or not high build, the captain's clear, which really has an unbelievable clear hue to it. And everything is all now installed. It took a better part of a day to get it all done. But everything's all cleaned up and polished. Got a nice coat of wax on the decks. Got some there, but I'm definitely very excited to have this one get out of the shop because it is an absolute beautiful boat.
Yeah, the lines are just exquisite. I love these Captivators. I think this is the 5th or the 6th Captivator we have preserved completely. But in many respects, this is also the very best. And I just wanted to point out one thing. We have a new Mr. Dutchman right back in this corner. It was right there, wasn't it, Joe? There was
one here that was already on the boat, but there was one right in here. From that line there to this line right here has had a new piece of plank gone in there.
So Joe has inherited from John the disappearing Dutchman capability, which will be really great for Snake Mountain Boatworks and for all of these beautiful ladies of the lakes. And this one can now return to her home on Joe's Pond in Vermont. Take a drive up there. Look for Captivator, as she has been named. She will go home today. But thank you, Joe, for just a fantastic job and setting a standard that we know you'll apply to everything else going forward. So as we bid goodbye to Captivator, we also say goodbye to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.